Today we're going to focus on the expository writing organizer as a way of developing our ideas and organizing our draft for our writing assessment. To begin, you will need your help strategy slide that you created yesterday, and then you will go to Schoology and download an expository organizer. That is the assignment for today. To begin, you will use your thesis that you were created previously, and it needs to be typed or copied and pasted into the introduction box. Your introduction will begin with the lead, also known as a hook, which is a sentence that attempts to attract your reader and have them continue reading your essay. Then you'll introduce your topic and you will then state your thesis. The entire introduction doesn't need to be longer than about 3 sentences. I know that you have not had instruction on leads yet, but you will in January. I'm using this as an opportunity to see what you know, what you remember from 6th grade, as a way to guide my instruction in January. After you've completed the introduction, which should be written in full sentences, not a list, you'll move to the first point. This will come from your help strategy slide. You must choose to use your personal story as either the first or the second point. The other point will be the H, the E, or the L from the help strategy. That will be written as a paragraph. You will introduce the evidence, you will state the evidence, and then you will explain the evidence. This would be done in several sentences. There is not an exact number. It is more about the quality of your evidence and the explanation for that evidence. So that takes care of paragraphs 2 and 3 in the middle of your essay. Then you go to the conclusion. The conclusion begins by restating your thesis. You need to change the vocabulary of your thesis, change the structure of the sentence that is your thesis, and then close out your essay with some additional thoughts to kind of sum up what you have written about in your paper. We'll be writing on this for a couple of days, and everyone should be ready to submit by Friday. If you have any questions, please email me or ask in class. Thank you.